Welcome to Eric's Fly Tying. My name is Håkan and today I will be tying a dry fly. This is a small imitation of a small caddisfly. It's very simple and I like this fly because of the wing. I normally love to use natural material, but this is pre-cut synthetic wings. And the good thing with these wings is they help the fly to float because it's very, very buoyant material. So on these small, delicate caddisflies, I tend to like these wings. This is size 14, but you can tie them down to size 16, 18 if you want as well. So we start with the hook. And as I said, I'm using the size 14. This is the Arex Freshwater 502, size 14. And I'm using this strong thread, the GSP thread, because the head is made of roe deer or deer fur. And that is good to be able to pull the material. The body is made of CDC, but instead of just using the fibers, we're using the whole feather today. So I choose a natural brown feather and tie it in by the tip, and then we pull it through. So we just tie in the tip of the tip, if we say. And then we twist the feather slightly, and we start to wind it to cover the hook shank. There will be some fibers standing out from the fly, but that doesn't do anything for the fly. It doesn't matter. You can cut it off if you want, or just tie them in like this. And then you take the pre-cut wings. They are white, but I'm using a permanent marker to make it brown, or you can make it even darker, depends on what you like. And then I just fold the wings to make it like a roof to sit on the fly. And then we just tie it in. Nice and easy. And the head is deer hair, or in this case raw deer. But the secret is to find deer hair that is short enough, because the part of the hair that gives the fly buoyancy, it's the part closest to the skin. And if you have very long hair, you can't use the tips as I want on this fly. So as short as possible. Makes it a bit trickier to use, but take a small bunch and I measure it in so the tips covering half the wing, and then we just pull the thread around and straighten it, make another turn to secure it on the hook shank all the way towards the head. And then we just make room for a whip finish. And then the only thing left is to trim the deer hair. I trim it off on the underside. And then I try to make it sort of a cone shape or tapered. Yeah, I think that's quite okay. And there we have the Pro Caddis or Pro Wing Caddis. Very quick and easy fly to tie, but works really nice when we have the smaller caddisflies.